Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back once again to another crypto live session with Crypto with B. I'm your host Brian, and before I start, just a short disclaimer: past performance does not guarantee future result, but a buying selling recommendation for easier diligence on investing into any kind of asset. And of course, I'm going to share with you guys regarding about the airdrop cap from 10 till the 16th of March. And let me share my screen. Okay, so before that, we're going to look at the technical analysis, technical side. So we can see for total tree, you can see the altcoins still continue to rally, still continue to be very bullish. And of course, the next resistance might look at is somewhere here. Okay, 789.329. Okay, a retracement back towards the downside might look at somewhere around this level here. Okay, this level to maintain this level of support at 673.526. Now, on the weekly time frame, you can see also the weekly is trending towards the upside. Okay, there's no sign of reversal yet. You can see weekly having a huge rejection here. And it's still creating a bullish candle. Let's look at daily. The daily candlestick still creating a higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Trend is still uptrend, still above the middle band. Okay, look at it. H4, 4 hourly, you can see already the trend. Right, the setup, you can see it went all the way down here. Here we tested at 687. Now it's rebounding back again and closing above the middle band. So which is a candlestick change of direction yet again for H4 to reverse back towards the upside. So overall, you can see the setup is still uptrend. Okay, for total tree. Okay, so out is still bullish. And then of course we are looking at the Bitcoin dominance. So dominant setup on money time frame. So the money time frame, you can see also the trend overall is still trending up. Okay, still trending up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs again, higher lows. So overall, the setup is still bullish. And then of course, without looking at the next resistance, right? So you could be somewhere around here, in 8.3, or if it continues to go back, okay, you might see a low at somewhere around this level here at 1.6. Then on top of that, weekly, you can see the setup on weekly, the price action is closing at the below the top B. So you can see many times rejected at the top B, getting rejected. This is the first time at 4th December. Okay, then 8 January. And here was at 26th of Feb and 4th of March, rejected. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 4 times rejected at the top B. Okay, so now you can see it's about to break towards the downside for the dominance. So dominance breaking down, then it's good for alts. Okay, then daily is below the middle band. H4, 4 hourly, you can see also it's breaking below the middle band also. So it's downtrend for dominance, so which is good. Look at Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. So Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, you can see here the setup. Okay, for Ethereum against Bitcoin, it is still bearish, still downtrend. You can see here momentum sell, go back to the retreat sell, and then you look at the setup here. Okay, I think how many months here? 1, 2, and it's the 3rd month getting rejected at the re-entry sell, and it's breaking lower. So this is not a good sign for Ethereum against Bitcoin, and it's looking set to break lower again. Now, if that's the case, then might see around this level for the next support. 0.03978 could be the next level. Here you can see getting rejected again. So the big question is, can you able to maintain around this level of support? 0.05252. Okay, this is a very crucial level to maintain. Okay, because you can see this level here rejected again, might hit lower for this setup. Then look onto the weekly time frame. But on weekly here, we can see that the setup is consolidating sideways. So might have a tick here, might consolidate within this range. 0.05065 or 0.05252. Okay, so this is the range where Ethereum needs to maintain against Bitcoin around this range here, to continue again for out to rally against Bitcoin. Because if not, then this range for the break might see a lower level at 0.03978. Okay, might break down here. Now, then on daily, you can see also daily M pattern form. Okay, so this is not a good sign for Ethereum against Bitcoin. But on H4, there's a descending channel. Okay, descending channel like this, most likely there'll be a higher chance of a break towards the upside. Okay, for this H4 time frame. So H4, there could be a sign where the market might reverse back. Okay, then moving on to BTC. So BTC have a pullback. Okay, already expected. We've been running for quite some time. So all-time high is at 73.7. Okay, then your previous resistance is here at 61.3. Okay, 7.3. or this level here, 58.8. So this is a crucial level for BTC to maintain. Okay, this will be the support zone now for BTC to at least retest. Now on weekly. So the weekly time frame, you can see there is no sign of reversal yet, and this could form a bullish doji. Okay, so far at the moment, it's still very bullish, no sign of reversal yet. Now look at daily. So the daily time frame being a bit squeezed on daily. So weekly there could be a sell to buy solution. Okay, so don't forget that this is just a first pullback. Okay, maybe there could be more coming in. So you have to be very, very careful here. Okay, so short term, maybe wise could be short term pullback, might come back down to test at 66K again. And then leading up to another pullback will be around here at 62.5. Okay, so all these levels in the box, so 66K, 62.5, 61.3, 58.8. Okay, these are the crucial levels where Bitcoin might come back to test. Then on H4, 4-hourly, momentum sell, pullback further, re-entry sell, and it's still below the middle band. So do take note, it's still downtrend. On the 4-hourly time frame now, is getting a downtrend movement. So as for now, H4 it needs to quickly break up at 71K, closing almost 71K, will continue the rally towards the upside. So at the moment now, it's still hovering at 69.1. Okay, 69.1, and it's still at the sell zone. So if it continues to retest lower, maybe it will come back to test here on 66K or to create another re-entry again or another higher lows, okay, for this level here. So it might come back to retest around this range. Okay, so let's see, because it is the weekend, so most likely price might consolidate at this area, then might see another break again towards the upside. So overall, we can see the setup is considered bearish for H4, but on the bigger time frame, it's still bullish. Monthly, weekly, daily, okay, is creating a higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so this is normal for pullback on the bigger time frame. Now, on Ethereum, you can see we are hovering around 3.7K, and on monthly, okay, now monthly we can see the setup price is still trending towards the upside, still very bullish, and then this was the previous reason turning into support. So for monthly, it needs to maintain this level at support at 3452. Okay, then of course hitting lower again might see around this pivot level at 2774. Now the next resistance to break is this one, the final one will be around here at 4.6K. So 4.6K is a level to watch to break the final resistance. Look at the weekly time frame. Weekly trending up, momentum. Now the weekly candle is creating a reversal candle. Compared to BTC, there is no reversal candle. So if that's the case, then this weekly bearish candle might continue towards the downside for pullback. Okay, so this could create a pullback for Ethereum and could also have a correction. Okay, since the Ethereum chart is weakening against Bitcoin, might have a pullback. Look at daily BB squeeze. So weekly, there could be a signs of selling, sell to buy situation. Now, this sell to buy situation, let's see. We stop here. Take it from this low. How far can the pullback go? So the 0.786 will be around 3462. Golden ratio will be around 3047 on the 3K level here. So it might come back for pullback for this level to be tested. Okay, so H4, momentum sell, pullback for the re-entry sell. So it's breaking down for Ethereum. Okay, so trend overall is downtrend. Okay, for Ethereum. All right, so that's the case now for altcoins. So I think altcoins will definitely take a breather since BTC also might have a pullback. Okay. All right, and of course the Ethereum chart is weakening against Bitcoin. So you have to take note on this. Okay, that could be a sign of a pullback for the ending of this month. Okay, and then leading up for next month, which is a halving. All right, so nonetheless, let's move on to the altcoins. The airdrop news. Airdrop. So first airdrop I'm going to look at is coming in from the Cosmos ecosystem. And of course, for those of you who are dimension stakers, okay, so I believe you guys are getting this airdrop called dogmond coin. Okay, it's also another meme coin. Okay, another meme coin under the Cosmos ecosystem, because previously we have this 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 coin, and now we have this dogmond coin. So if you are staking dimension or 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀 token, okay, you're getting this airdrop. Okay, you're getting this airdrop, but again, the TGE or the event or the claim event is yet to be announced. So you have to stand by. Okay, and then the minimum stake also is yet to be announced, right? So we do not know what is the minimum stake is all about. But of course, we'll know that if you are staking dimension or 𝗶𝗺𝗀 tokens, you are definitely getting this airdrop. Okay, so this is definitely a meme coin. So as you know, that meme coin has no utility. Okay, so yeah, just hold on to to the tokens because it's free. So yeah, I will update you guys on the next airdrop updates on the token release or the minimum staking amount for this airdrop token. Okay, called dogmond coin. All right, so this is the first one. Then moving on next, we can see here. So of course, for those of you who are staking injective under the Kepler wallet or any validator outside of the top 10, then you should have qualified for this airdrop called Hydro Protocol. So Hydro Protocol is actually a liquid staking platform under the injective ecosystem. Okay, and finally, they have already released the airdrop checker. Okay, the airdrop checker, where you can able to check your amount of Hydro tokens that you are qualified or that you are eligible. Okay, because this snapshot has been done since the 4th of January, not the 2nd. Because you can see some of them are getting 250, some are getting like 500, some are getting less. Okay, so if you are staking and if you are also farming Hydro Protocol, then actually you should be getting more. Should be getting more tokens. Okay, so you can see also even this guy complained that he's getting only 500 Hydro tokens for 1,000 stake of injective. This is a lot, 1,000. So you can see here, the maximum is up to 500 for 1,000 stake injective. Is a lot. Okay, so congratulations to you guys who participated in this airdrop. Hydro Protocol, I believe this could be the next Jito. Okay, a liquid staking platform under the injective. I think a lot of potential opportunity for Hydro, even though you can see this is just a first season. Okay, so if you have missed out on the first season, not to worry because they have another second season that is coming in. Okay, the second season is coming soon. Right, so you can see airdrop claims will commence immediately following the announcement and it will only remain open for 7 days. Now, this claiming is on the 19th of March. So 19th of March, you can be able to claim the Hydro token. Okay, Hydro, which is around 3 days from now. Okay, which is this coming Tuesday at 1 p.m. UTC. Again, 1 p.m. UTC time. So you have 7 days, which is 1 week claim. Okay, so I believe the gas fee is very low in injective, so you can be able to claim. Okay, so this is the second one. Now moving on next, like you can see, the next one I think quite interesting. So I believe you guys who have traded under Aevo platform. Okay, so Aevo have already announced the airdrop. Okay, so I believe you guys have traded with a volume of 1 million volume. You are entitled to about 300 all the way to 900 Aevo tokens, which is currently priced at $2.7 per token. So I believe you guys have, if you guys have traded in this platform, right, under the Ethereum ecosystem, then you guys will get gotten this airdrop. Okay, so if you want to claim, you can claim here, app.logx.trade. Okay, you can able to connect your wallet. Okay, connect your wallet, and then you can start claiming your Aevo tokens. Okay, so this is the thing here for this airdrop. So this airdrop is purely based on volume, trading based on volume. Okay, so the more volume that you have, then the higher chance of getting this token. Okay, but of course, I believe there are other platforms similar like Aevo for you guys to earn as well. So if you have missed this airdrop, not to worry, because I believe there are others as well, which I'm going to share with you later on. Okay, so this guy gotten about 320 Aevo. Okay, not sure how much of volume this guy traded. Okay, but definitely 1 million and above, you are entitled something. Okay, a minimum of 300 at least, 320 at least. Okay, so 1 million is the benchmark of volume to get the airdrop. Okay, so don't shy away from trading, but you want to trade based on volume. Okay, that's the thing here. That's a key note to take. Then moving on next. So the next one is definitely what I'm going to share is the orderly network. So orderly network will announce the airdrop on Q2. So Q2 could be next month, which is April. Okay, so this is also another trading derivatives platform based on perpetuals. Okay, you can able to long and short, you can able to put call and put options. Okay, so you can able to trade on BlockX and 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 for orderly network. Okay, and you can able to complete the Galaxy task for orderly network. So like I've already mentioned, orderly network is still new and it's still under farm. And you can able to take a chance to start building the volume on BlockX and 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 okay, because this could be a huge airdrop when it's coming in. Okay, so some tasks are free, some tasks that need you to trade. Okay, so don't forget that because CC2 also have mentioned that Manta, Outlayer, and Polyhedra also honoring GALC points. So don't shy away from GALC task because this is like a compulsory thing to do. Okay, and you might never know, you might also qualify by accumulating these GALC points. Okay, and look at GALC tasks on orderly. So you can see some tasks here requires you to complete, but this one is just for trading, right? So this requirement, example for this task, right, under the orderly network, it just asking you to just trade just once. Okay, participate in trading in logx. You just need to trade one. Okay, and you should receive, top trader will receive 1,000 logx reward. Okay, so once you're done, then you just need to win this NFT. This NFT is quite useful and it's quite usable in the future. Okay, so they will take into account all those NFTs that you are claiming or minting. Now, they do have this event, okay, which is this orderly and 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 underwater. Now, this is a task that you need to complete. Okay, this is one the CC2 have mentioned to at least complete up to 100,000 volume. Okay, so far I have done according to what he recommend, which is up to 100,000. Okay, 100,000 full trading volume. Okay, so maybe I might consider 1 million volume. Okay, because you can see the participants only 227 people who are qualified for 1 million. And then if you scroll down to about 5 million, which is about 21, and then 10 million, only 12 people. If you look at the 100,000 volume, 100,000 volume is about already 3,000 people are, building up the volume. Okay, usually you can see not many people are actually farming on the network. Right, not many. Okay, so you can see it's still underfarmed and still a lot of opportunities compared to other trading platforms. Okay, so like I said, don't shy away from this GALC task. Okay, even this GALC intern, this orderly intern also saying that, you need to take one high trading volume. Okay, so I'm not sure whether this is purely for marketing perspective, or maybe it wants you to have a higher chance, right? So when you build higher volume, you stand a chance to stand out against the rest who are just trading just for building up the volume. So you want to build up the volume to increase your chance for the airdrop. Okay, so yeah, overall, this is quite useful info for you guys to learn and for you guys to take note on your farming this airdrop. Okay, so this is the orderly network. Then moving on next, you can see here. Now, next one also quite huge. Okay, I believe this is also another big deal to talk about, because Electrify is also a liquid staking platform that is leveraging through EigenLayer. So EigenLayer is also another restaking platform. Okay, so whatever Ethereum that you stake, you are getting this liquid staking. So from that liquid staking token, you can be able to stake on that platform. So Electrify is also one of them, right? It's also another like a second or third party on behalf of EigenLayer. And finally, they have already listing in Binance, right? On the Binance launch pool, which is also quite huge. Okay, it's also a big deal. Why Binance having that kind of interest to list Electrify on their exchange? Okay, because it's not easy to actually list a token under Binance, right? They will look into it, they will study it, and then they will probably invest, right? So what gives them the interest? You can see here, right? So introducing Electrify on Binance launch pool. Okay, so they are going to launch this, I think, somewhere around 18 or 19 of March, right? So you can see 18 of March. Okay, Binance will then list Electrify on 18 of March, which is 2 days from now. Okay, so it will be on this coming Monday, right? So 12 p.m. UTC. Okay, open trading on a different pairs here: Electrify BTC, Electrify USD, BNB, and FUSD. Okay, so this is very, very huge. Okay, and it's a big deal. You can see here 1 billion token supply. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of people actually farming this token now in Binance. Okay, so if you have not staked in Electrify, then maybe you might want to use your Binance BNB, okay, or FDUSD to do your farming or staking your BNB to farm this token called Electrify. Again, I believe this is quite huge. Okay, and of course, for those of you who are staking in Electrify, you are accumulating this Electrify loyalty points, which were converted into Electrify, I believe so. So do stand by and continue to collect more points for this token. Okay, so these are the things that you want to take note. Huge potential. I believe Electrify will also drive the force on the liquid restaking platform, not only for EigenLayer, but I believe like 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 also most likely will be launching their token as well. So Swell also they will be launching their L2, right? Their L2 protocol, and most likely will be launching their own token as well. So these are the things that you want to think of. So this could be a domino effect. Once Etherfi launch, then I believe other restaking platform will continue to follow up as well. Okay, so huge potential. Etherfi is the next one that we are looking at for a potential airdrop. So Binance is huge. Okay, moving on next, right? You can see the next one is back again to Cosmos. So Cosmos, you can see this is also another long. This was the old airdrop. Okay, that's been updating us, especially from Doki. So Doki, if you remember this token. Okay, so now you can able to get your tokens. Okay, I think you have to use Leap Wallet instead of Kepler Wallet. So Kepler Wallet are able to track the Doki coins. So what you need to do, okay, you can able to provide liquidity provider LP on the osmosis zone. Okay, so he even show you how you can able to do it here. You can able to use Kepler. I mean you can't use Kepler Wallet, but you can use Leap Wallet. Right, use Leap Wallet, identify your Doki tokens, and then move it to the osmosis. So currently your Doki token is under the Orlean protocol. Okay, under the Orlean protocol, so you're not able to view it. Okay, you're not able to view it. So you have to check. Okay, then you have to move it out to osmosis. Okay, so that is the updates. Okay, you can see here, can't find the Doki on Kepler. Okay, so Kepler is bad for showing new tokens. Okay. All right, so he seems like we can be able to see it now. So I think you have to wait. Now today is March 13, this is 3 days after. So I think you can start looking into it on your Kepler wallet, and you can start using IBC.fund to do a cross-chain from Orlean protocol to osmosis. Okay, and you can be able to provide liquidity for this token. Okay, so you can see here, this is the Doki price, right? So I think this is not the real price here, $242. So yeah, I think you have to check, right, for this token, because I think there are a lot of tokens and currently off track with Doki. There are too many at the moment, right? So even some members complain, best 14-cent airdrop ever. Okay, so I not worth the fees. Okay, so yeah, a lot of complaints, but anyway, this is a free airdrop. Then moving on next, see here. Next one also under the Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, we can see this is by Filament Finance. So if you have stake, injective, or liquid stake, strike stake, injective folders will also now be included. Okay, so yeah, that's now you can even more you can do with your stake injective. It is launching on the Dimex exchange, right? So this also will be another airdrop, right, from injective staker and strike injective. Okay, so you can able to do this, right? Filament, right? So Filament is actually a perpetual DEX, another trading platform again that is launching soon on injective. Okay, so yeah, for those of you who have stake injective, I think you should also qualify for this airdrop. Okay, so TGE yet to be announced, so I'll update you guys again more next week. Okay, so currently it's on testnet mode. Then, of course, last but not least, okay, so for those of you who are staking under the Cosmos ecosystem, like I said, you don't want to miss out on Strike. So Strike also is a liquid staking platform under the Cosmos ecosystem, where they have a very good track record on airdropping users for those who are staking with them. So for those of you that are staking your Celestial, staking your Dimension token, why not stake under Strike? So when you stake under Strike, you're getting this liquid staking token called ST, right? ST in the front, or Dimension, then or ST Strike, okay, or ST Injective. Okay, so these are the things that you want to take note. Okay, now they have launched this liquid staking for Dimension. Okay, instead of staking through validators, stake through Stripe, so that you have a higher chance to earn the airdrop. So you can see 250,000 Strike, okay, which is 2,083 of Strike per day will be airdrop to Strike Dimension holders, liquid staking Dimension. And the snapshot is starting today, holding for 150 days. Okay, so this is a lot of opportunity compared to staking through the validators. Okay, and then on Monday, Strike Dimension on Osmosis will become available as well. Okay, so if you are staking your Dimension, you might want to stake through the Strike, and then you use the Strike Dimension liquid staking token to put it into Dimex. right, to earn another airdrop as well. So this is how you let your tokens earn money from you passively. Okay, by staking on top of de-staking again, staking on top of staking. That is how you maximize the airdrop. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing that you want to take note. I believe this is much more effective compared to sticking through the validators, because the validators at the moment, it is not really promising. Okay, the amount of airdrops and amount of quality that is coming in from Cosmos airdrop, not really that surprising or not really that satisfying, because I think a lot of people are complaining with the quality of airdrop that they are receiving. Okay, so if you stick through Strike, then I think it's much more better, higher chance for you to earn a quality airdrop. Okay, so 150 days, right? Continue to stake them, and then you should be earning Strike tokens. Okay, so I believe this is a thing that I want to share. And once again, guys, that's all I have for this week. And take care and have a great weekend, guys. See you.